Problem diagnosis. So you have, you just installed a new cam, you have a rough idle, you're getting washed by going into the oil fuel, and this is what my problem has been, so maybe it'll help you. Let's take a look how the engine's running right now. It's, as you see, it's clearly running rough. Soon she'll just die off into nothing. Also, I've also gotten a lot of fuel in my oil, and so that was a great concern. So next you'll see where the problem lies. Where I found it. If you notice the back lifter, the back valve, and up really shortly. You'll see it's not moving. I'll get you a clearer shot here in a second. Kind of a tight spot. Right there. So you notice the valve, rocker arm's not even moving. So what I did is I took off that rail and took the push rod out. I thought maybe it might have been a hydraulic lifter. I thought maybe I might have to take the head back off, being the wrong lifter for the MDS, but it was the right lifter. You can put your little push rod back into the lifter, and because it's MDS, you'll feel it spring, so you'll feel it give. So that wasn't the issue. So I put the rails back on, started the truck up. Started to sound good. And now it's fixed. So it was basically just a push rod not seated properly. And that also fixed the contamination of the fuel in the oil. So thanks for watching.